What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sparky CJ here, back again with another story from my past. Today's video, I don't know if I remember talking about this. I guess early in the series, but it's about chemistry, and I took chemistry class when I was in 12th grade. Usually, a lot of people take it a little earlier, but chemistry was one of the classes. Being science, I was like, I don't know if I want to take it or not. Being if it's like biology, it was I took biology, and I know one of it was like botany. One of it was like botany and biology, I guess together. Botany is about with plants. Biology, you got dissecting with frogs, learning about all other stuff. And when it came out of chemistry, I mean, I was like, you know what? I took almost every science class. Chemistry is the last one I need to take, and I was like, you know what? Let me take it. And I actually enjoyed it. And when it came out, I mean, it actually was very enjoyable doing chemistry. A lot of stuff we was able to do, with chemicals and stuff like that. And there's two particular, how can I say, projects that I remember doing. I mean, one of them was that you take a penny. Yeah, you take a regular copper penny, and we dipped it in. I guess like it was like I'm trying to think what it was. It's like yeah. My bad. Let me slow down for a bit. It was silver powder that we put it over like a little not like not it's not a stove, but it's, the little chemistry little light thing that it heats it up. I can't even describe what it was, but we put it over that and it melted the little silver powder into like a little silver liquid. Then you take the little prongs and then you put the penny in there and you put it in there and like you let it let the silver basically coat the penny. So then when you take it out, the penny is no longer copper; it's now a silver penny. Now what we did after we did that, it kind of like you remove the little thing, remove the little dish off the little the little thing, the little the little candle thing, whatever the lighter, whatever I'm gonna call it, a lighter. Move it off of that. You take the penny, and now you can choose to leave it as a silver penny, or you can turn it into a gold penny. And now you take the silver penny, and you actually heat it. Now you just kind of flip and just heat it. And I know that if you were to heat it a little too much, it will burn a little bit. But if you do it just right, all of it will turn gold. So that's one thing I did remember. I accidentally threw it away, and it's kind of crazy because I had 3 pennies. One was almost a perfect silver penny, and one was like kind of like still a little copper on it. So it's kind of like it was like almost like, let's say, 80% silver, and the other one was a okay gold one. Cause for some reason my partner, I think we got our pennies mixed up, where he had my perfect silver one and I had his partial fully silver penny. But overall that particular project was awesome, and at the same time working with him, and you get one partner, you get one person to work with. Usually you get to work with different people, but I was working with him almost for every single project. And me and him, we killed it. I mean, being smart, him having my back, him, knowing his stuff like that, him being smart too. Combined together, we killed almost every single project. I mean, it's like I can't say we overachieved, but it was like to the point like me like it's kind of like he would do like. It's cause teamwork, like kind of flip flop. Like he answers some of the questions, I answer some of the questions. He do a little the project, the project, how can I say, the objective, with the chemistry stuff, and I do at the same time, kind of flip flop with that. And I mean, we did pretty good. Sometimes like, dang man, we almost made 100. So we made like A's, maybe a B, and we killed it. We killed it though. We really killed it. And the other project we did was, I think actually it was a project. It was what our teacher did. She took a plastic bottle, and I think she put some stuff in it, and it was going to explode. And we went outside. She put like on top of like a little manhole, and I think we stood like good feet behind, and she tapped it, and it exploded. I think, and I mean I can't remember what she put in it, but that was pretty cool. I mean, doing that. So I think she took a yardstick and kind of just tapped the cap, and it's like just boom. And I think after that it was kind of like. No, I think it was something else where it was like a smell. I was like, oh man, that junk stank. I can't fully remember, but I know we went outside to do it because we couldn't do it in the classroom because we'll be in trouble. We'll be in deep trouble. But overall, when it came with chemistry, I enjoyed it. I killed it. I mean, as just like with math, with this particular with chemistry, I not aced it, but I made an A. I think it was like a 96, 97. I was able to exempt the final exam. It's crazy. Like it's like, for me, I guess it is true that I'm able to pick up stuff pretty quickly. Like whenever we did something new, I was like, oh, that's how you do it. Bam, I did it. Like, good job, Corey. And I mean, same with math. I was able to pick up math pretty quickly. So I guess you guys could say that math and science were my two subjects that I was able to pick up a little quickly, rather than with social studies and language arts. I mean, your language arts, you should know how to speak English and stuff like that. But it's beyond that, the grammar and everything, and all that other stuff that comes with language arts. Social studies kind of is just a little more difficult. But I think math and science was my main. Math and science was my two main favorite subjects, and I was able to pick up those things very fast and do pretty good in both of those subjects. But I rambled on way too much. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave comments of anything you guys if you guys took chemistry class and what you remember from it. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and don't forget to I already said that. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll catch you guys later. Deuces.